So Yasmin, can you give me some tips on using the Dermaroller yourself at home?
Of course. So some tips for your Dermaroller at home would be to avoid your retinols and glycolics for 5 days prior to treatment. Cleanse your skin with what I kind of like using is an Ormedic cleanser. So kind of make sure that all of our makeup and stuff is off the surface of the skin. That cleanser is from Image. If you then use your serum, so hyaluronic serum or your lightening serum, if you put that onto the skin like I did at the start of the video, just rub it in to make sure that it's covering the full area and then start rolling. So you roll over and back, lift off the roller, can't stress that enough, place it back on the skin and roll up and down. When you're finished using the roller, you'll then put a little bit more serum on because all of your microchannels are open, so that when you take full advantage of that. So pop your serum back on, rub it completely in, and then pop your SPF on. We would again say no retinols or glycolic branching for 5 days after treatment either. If you start peeling after your treatment, it's normal, it's a good thing, it's just your dead skin cells shedding away. If you have an enzyme mask at home, use that after 5 days. Place it on the skin for a minute or so, then completely rub it off. It is normal to tingle, it's an active product, so don't get too worried, but I wouldn't leave it on for any longer than maybe 3 minutes.
Do you want to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, acne scarring, sun-damaged skin, or maybe you have stretch marks? Then this is a perfect product for you. We're recording this video from Havana Skin Clinic as we have just launched our Image ADS Premium Dermaroller. It's an at-home microneedling device and we're selling it at a whopping 60% discount, as when this product went to manufacture, unfortunately for us, there was a typo on the outside of the box, but luckily for you, we're selling it at 60%. So grab yours in the link below at a whopping 60% off. Thanks so much.